told us that the dua, the invocation of Allah, is not rejected between adhan and iqamah. It means between the time the prayer is due, whether the masjid gives the adhan or it delays it half an hour. The time is due, khalas, this is where you start your dua. And the iqamah is when you as a woman start your prayer. So maybe you start your prayer after 10 minutes of the time. Then this 10 minutes is for dua. Maybe you start your prayer half an hour after the time. Even if they prayed in the masjid, then your dua time is between adhan and iqamah, and Allah knows best. Oral sex, and I cannot go into details, of course, but let it be known that in our religion, it is prohibited for a person to touch his private parts while urinating. It is prohibited to cleanse and purify yourself with your right hand after answering the call of nature, whether urinating or defecating. And the scholars say that this is obvious because Allah honors the right. The left hand is to be used for dirty things. So the right is honored in Islam. Now, I ask you a question. Which is more honored? Your right hand that you eat with, or your mouth that you say the shahada with, that you recite the Quran with, that you say the name of Allah Azza wa Jal with, to be used in such filthy things that we did not learn except from the kafir. Even the dogs may not do this, the animals. So one should refrain from such filthy